What's going on, guys? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day today, and in today's video we're going to talk about the inside day on Roblox and how that led to an intraday bearish pattern alongside with the flow confirming the bearish move to take advantage of the move down. All right, so for those of you that don't know, an inside day is pretty much price action that takes place within the previous high and within the previous low. You can see right here. And our inside day on Roblox happened to be on Thursday. We can see that the high here is within the prior high and the low here is within the prior low. So this tells us that if this prior day's low is broken, we could take advantage of the move downwards. All right, now let's take a look at the intraday time frame. On the intraday time frame, we can see that our essentially Thursday's low was sitting around 42.36. We've gapped down, but what we've put in here are actually some pre-market support levels. Right? We can see that these pre-market support levels are there. So we know we have an inside day. We know if the low of that day breaks, we see continuation to the downside. We've put some support levels here at the pre-market at 41.68. Now, if that level breaks, then you want to take advantage of that move down. So you could have got involved right here at the morning when that level broke to the downside. However, if you missed that, you have to wait for another setup. All right, and that other setup happened to be this rising wedge. If you guys aren't familiar with the rising wedge, take a look at the pattern right here. What do we have? We have a move down, we have a consolidative pull back up, and then right here, that's going to be your entry to take advantage to the move downwards. All right, now let's take a look at what happened in the morning when we broke those levels. We know we have an inside day. We know if the low breaks, we're going to continue to the downside. We have pre-market support that breaks, and we also now have puts coming in out of the open that are confirming this move down. All right, now another thing I talk about is price action moving up on decreasing volume, and that's exactly what we have here. We have price action moving up on decreasing volume, right? Price is moving up on decreasing volume, so that's what we need to pay attention to. This tells us we have a divergence. Now on top of that divergence, we also have a pattern that's the rising wedge. You can get involved right here at the break of that wedge, stops right here, and take advantage of that move down. And you can see that move from this 41.50 level happens to drop all the way down to 39.39. All right, so that right there, guys, hopefully you guys found education in that. We're looking at the daily level to make sure there is room for further downside, which we had on Roblox. We're looking at pre-market levels, we're looking at flow, we're looking at pattern. These are everything you guys got to look at to make sure that there's continuation to come, especially with Roblox share. You saw that relative weakness if you guys keep the SPY and the Qs up. SPY and the Qs pushed up, Roblox pulled down, showing you relative weakness, and that's how you could have kind of got involved with that. All right, guys, hopefully you guys found value in this video. If you did, go ahead and like and share this with somebody who you think will find value in it. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.